How to fix TikTok not showing comments. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix TikTok not showing comments. So let's begin. The very first step that I will be teaching you is to update your TikTok app. And to do that, you just simply go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for TikTok, and then make sure to click on the update button whenever it is available. So it is important to update your TikTok app since there might be a bug on the app. So updating your TikTok app will make sure to fix your bug or problems on TikTok. And then now, if the problem still continues, then what I would like you to do is to open the TikTok app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen and go to the three lines found on the upper right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and look for the Clear Cache option. So click on Clear Cache and then wait for it to load. And then now you should try again looking for the comments, and then again if it still doesn't work, then what I would like you to do now is to offload the app or your TikTok. So to do that, just go to settings, go to general, and then go to iPhone storage, and then wait for it to load. So once it is done loading, you should click on TikTok and click on offload app. Once you offload the app, reinstall it, and then look for the comments once again. Again, if it still doesn't work, then there might be a problem with your internet connectivity. So go ahead in Safari and search for speedtest.net and wait for it to load. So again, speedtest.net, click on go, and then your connection should be more than 10 Mbps or more than 5 Mbps. So that's it. That's how you can fix TikTok not showing comments.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.